Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to set up Celestron telescope. Firstly, carefully unpack your telescope and identify all parts, including the optical, tube, mount, tripod, finder scoop, eyepieces and any additional accessories. Spread the tripod legs evenly on a stable surface and adjust the lug height to a comfortable viewing level and secure them in place. Depending on your model, attach the mount to the tripod using the provided screws or bolts. Mount the telescope's optical tube onto the mount, ensuring it's balanced and securely attached. Attach the finder scope and its designated spot on the optical tube and align it by pointing the telescope at a distant object you drew in daylight and adjusting the finder scope until both views match. Place the diagonal into the focuser, then insert the eyepiece into the diagonal. Secure both with set of screws. Proper balancing ensures smooth tracking. For manual telescopes, use a bright start on the moon to align your finder scope. For computerized models, follow the alignment procedure outlined in the user manual, which may involve inputting date, time, and location information. Choose a prominent celestial object, like the moon or a bright planet, to test the telescope's functionality and make any necessary adjustments. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.